see. I hope everybody watching this channel is, of course, doing well for themselves. Hopefully, everybody is having a great time. And I know it's been a while since we have, connected through the Nest Story. So, hello guys, welcome to the Nest Story again. This is Diksha Singh. Namaste. Well, guess what? Right now, we are not going to be talking about any project review, any developer, any even real estate. We are just going to see how beautifully the interiors of this particular home have been done by Mr. Abhishek and his company. And right now we are just going to start the tour of this beautiful 3 BHK at Divyansh Onyx located at Ghaziabad. This is a 1490 square feet 3 BHK. So let's just start. एंटर करते ही मेन डोर की बहुत ही अच्छे से डिज़ाइनिंग की गई है. द सेपरेशन इज़ क्वाइट क्लियर. आपको ये स्टैंड आउट करता हुआ वास्तु कंप्लायंट डिज़ाइन देखने को मिलेगा. ग्रेट लाइटिंग एंड पैनलिंग हैज़ बीन डन हियर. दीज आर द शू रैक्स हियर. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट अट्रैक्टिव पार्ट हियर. नाउ एज यू एंटर यू सी दिस बिग वुडन डोर and the mirrors here welcome you and this is your foyer area. यहाँ से enter करते ही आप देखेंगे lights अब शुरू हो जाती हैं पूरे घर में and the ceiling lights make this home look even more warmer and more welcoming. So this is the entire living and dining space of the house, and this is the dining area of the space. As you can see, I think you can see the vision turn to life. This is the dining space. It is curated very well with the color palette that the owners have chosen for their home. And this is the entire mirror setup that makes the any kind of home look even more bigger. So that's the catch here for all of you. You can see all the paneling and all the lower work will start eventually when we start moving into the bedroom area. Let's move to the kitchen space, which is again quite big, and जैसे ही आप enter करेंगे you will find that the utility space of this particular unit has been combined. यहाँ पर utility के साथ में ही इन्होंने घर का पूरा setup कर दिया है, and this is a complete modular kitchen with pantry settings and everything else. So yeah, let's check this out. Now let's move on to the first bedroom of the house. Of course, oozing the level of positivity, and definitely there's a lot of space here. This is the dressing area. This is the entire AC cabinet. As you can see, all the ceiling lights have been done and all the louvers start from this particular room. This is the color palette that has been utilized in the entire household. There is some lamination here on the wardrobe sections, and let me show you one very cool stuff here, which is the puja space. This is your puja space, and this is the wooden paneling जो आपको यहाँ पे lower का काम दिख रहा है wooden में, that has also been done in the interior. Now we'll move to the second bedroom of the house and let's see how they have made this beautiful space come out alive really nicely. I really like the color palettes used in this particular modern setup. जितना भी यहाँ पर space है वो खुल करके आ रहा है, एक study room की तरह बनाया गया है इसे. And of course the color palette, the lamination here on the cupboards you can see, and all the ceiling lights are here. So now we'll move to the master bedroom of the house, which starts like this with a master bed, and of course all the cabinets you can see right there on your screen, and this is the entire wardrobe which is huge, and also of course there's that designated space with the lighting you can see on your screen. And yes, look at all these beautiful details that have been added here to add all that charm into this particular loving home. How did you like this space? Please tell us in the comment section below. So now here we come to the best part of an interior video, which is a client feedback. Right now I have Anupama ji with me, who is the owner of this beautiful flat. Hello ma'am, thank you so much. Welcome to the Nest Story. Also, please share your experience about DNA Interiors. उनका काम आपको कैसा लगा?
It was great working with these people. First of all, the team was very good. Entire team, from the carpenter, I would say, to the owner of this company. They were very polite, very humble. And secondly, nobody gives the work in so hurry. We were in hurry. Like we gave them the keys on 1st of February, I believe. And they delivered the house on 10th of April. नॉर्मली मेरे को और लोगों से आसपास पता चला, दे टोल्ड मी कि आपका बहुत जल्दी दे दिया, 6 महीने लगते हैं, बट दे डिलीवर्ड इट ऑन टाइम. लाइक उनको पता था हमको जल्दी थी, बच्चों का ऑफिस होता है तो बहुत मुश्किल होता था, लेकिन इनकी टीम जो थी वो मिलकर बहुत अच्छा काम किया. और सबसे आइडियाज़ ऑफ कोर्स मेरी बहू के भी थे, मेरे बेटे के भी थे, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी चीज़ हमें सपोर्ट पूरा मिला इनकी टीम की तरफ से। पूरा हर चीज़ जो भी हम कहते थे, क्योंकि हमें सब कुछ टॉप नॉच चाहिए था, बिल्कुल एकदम ब्रांडेड। हमने इसमें जितना भी प्लाई, जो भी लेमिनेशन, ये मिरर्स जो भी हमने यूज़ किया है, वो सब कुछ हाई ब्रांड, हाई क्वालिटी का। तो इसमें इन लोगों ने हमें पूरा सपोर्ट दिया। नहीं तो नॉर्मली क्या होता है एक इंटीरियर का या कोई भी बिज़नेस करता है, वो पहले अपना प्रॉफिट मार्जिन देखता है कि भाई मैं प्रॉफिट अपना कैसे ना कैसे ज़्यादा निकालूं, बट दे नेवर डिड दैट। उनका ये था कि नहीं, आप जो मांग रहे हो वो आपको मिलेगा, वी विल डिलीवर यू whatever you are asking for, and we did it.
That's lovely to hear about DNA Interiors. I guess everybody who's watching this video right now must be aware. Now they know that okay, this is a good place to start if you're looking for interiors in and around Delhi NCR. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to the next story. I'll see you in the next videos very, very soon. Thank you. Namaskar.